Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0463S in color code 002. It's a black-white color frame. The temples have a red gold detailing with white over here and black. There's a Gucci logo on both sides of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are polarized gray. And it has the engraving of Gucci P for polarized on it. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.